everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. We've got many exciting things to share this morning, so we're gonna jump right into it because we do have quite a lot to show you. First off, we'll show you right here, this is our brand new mailer. This one is my copy, so that's why my name is written on there, so nobody can steal mine. But this is the new mailer. You should be getting yours this week. We are excited that we can start signing up for classes this Saturday. Starting this Saturday though, we're not signing up before then. So if you get your mailer, look through it, mark all the classes you wanna take, and then once Saturday hits, we're gonna be opening the doors at 9:45 and turning on the phones at 9:45. So that's when you can call or come in to sign up for classes. But we won't be starting that before then. So if you get your mailer, look through it, read all of the things, but we're not signing up until Saturday, so just FYI. But yeah, we are super excited. We've got lots of fun classes this quarter, lots of things, events that we're excited about. We've got all of our demo days that are going to be starting this next week after, I guess, a couple weeks. Our open house starts this Saturday though, the 1st, when our mailer, our classes open up. So that's when our open house starts. We'll have that week. Everything will be, all fabric and notions will be 20% off. All of your class supplies, 20% off. So that'll be like normal. And then, like I said, we have some exciting demo days coming up as well. And we'll talk about those probably next Wednesday. I'll go into specifics about what those are going to be. For now though, I just wanted to show this off and say, you know, anticipate yours coming in the mail soon. So we'll talk more about this later as well. Because our open house is coming up, we love to restock all of our fun little notions. So we've got a whole bunch here. We've gotten in all of these puzzles. We've got 6 new puzzles, so we've got a variety to choose from. We have our little notebooks that we love. These are fantastic to carry around in your purse, bring to class to take notes in, write your grocery list, just all sorts of things. These are so fun to just have. I love writing little notes on them. You'll find them all throughout my house because even the little sticky notes are so adorable. So we've got lots of those. We've got new little embroidery scissors. We've got some of the Mary Ellen's hand lotion, which is great to have. Any quilter knows that when you're working with all the fabric, your hands get kind of dry, so it's nice to have that as well. We've got these gorgeous embroidered notebooks. I definitely have already grabbed one of these. We have this one with the sort of poppies on there, and then the daisies as well. And then they also came with these little embroidered pouches also. So lots of fun little things, lots of fun things that would be great if you have like quilty friends that you want to get little things for. Maybe you have like a quilt along or something that you want to bring little things to. These are just really fun. Right here, we'll move on to some fabric. We have our Pure Solids by Art Gallery Fabrics. We've restocked some more solids. So we've got these beautiful colors. We have even more than this. These are just some of the ones that came in. These ones are more of like these gorgeous subtle tones, and we've got some bright poppy ones as well. So lots of new solids. We're trying to keep those in stock because we know people love to create with their solids. And Art Gallery is just amazing because it's so smooth and soft. So I love working with these ones. So we just wanted to let you know we got more in. Okay, and we'll head over here. Just wanted to mention that right up front over here, we do still have our Easter stuff, and it is still 20% off. So if you're still working on your Easter project, stop by and come take a look. One of the things that is going to be mentioned in the mailer is we're going to be having a couple new block of the months. One of them is going to be this one right here. It is a wool project. So each month you'll work on a different wool applique here. And it ends up being this lovely tree skirt. So you'll get all of the little wool pieces to embroider on here, and then you'll have you can see all of the fun little stitches that you'll get to do around these lovely wools. So we're very excited about this one. I don't really do wool applique, but I'm very tempted to because this is so amazing. Rebecca, who works here and teaches all of our wool stitches classes and the crazy quilting classes, she actually designed this and put this together. So we're just so excited about it and just super happy. So it's like a Quilting Bee exclusive here. So you can start signing up for this one in April. That's when we're going to be starting the block of the month. So definitely you can find that in your mailer and you can sign up for it then. Okay, and then we're going to walk through our flannels here. We do have a few new flannels mixed in here. I personally love the Moda flannels. This is from their Yuletide collection. We were able to get some more in. It's super soft. It wears beautifully. I made a quilt from this a couple years ago, actually. It was this last Christmas. And it still looks gorgeous and we love it. Okay, and then we're gonna move on through here. We've got a couple lines to show you back here in the novelty section. So right here, I'll move around here so you can see. This line right here is called Turtle Odyssey. It's by QT Fabrics. It's these gorgeous turtles, and it's got some really fun other little ones mixed in there. We've got this sort of water looking one, some shells, and then this one here is kind of fun. It kind of looks like little turtle postcards, little turtle blocks. So you could either have this large scale or you could maybe even fussy cut some of these cute little turtles out. So that one is super fun. We love that one. And then actually, I forgot this little guy right here. This line right here, this one is Beneath the Stars. It is a fun camping line. We've got all the different little tents, all the different little camping little guys there, some trailers. There's a border print that goes along with this one. You can see it's got the little camping scene and set up there with the trailer. You've got the pretty night sky there, then this cute little strip here. I love the little canoes thrown in there. And there are a couple panels that go along with this one. So you've got the large panel that has the little camping scene. You've got the trailer there, the little canoe. And then we have this panel right here that has all of the little block panels. So you can fussy cut those out. You've got a couple different camping scenes on there as well. And as always, we've got some fat quarters to go along with it. Okay, now we can move on along this way. So we'll move through the Civil War section here, and we will come up to the Patriotic section, which is just right here. We've got all of our red, white, and blue stuff. We've got a couple lines to show you. So this one right here, this one is pretty cool. It's by 3 Wishes. It's called Heart of America. And we've got a couple lines, a couple different fabrics mixed in there. And then we've got, starting here, this one here, it's got some cool patchwork stuff. It's got this one that has the different blocks. This one is also by 3 Wishes, and this one is called American Dreamer. So that one's pretty cool, and you've got some mixed different prints in there also for that one. And we have another one that we've brought out, which is right over here. This one is from Michael Miller. It's called All American. Again, it's kind of got that patchwork look here with the flags and then the different sort of little hearts and stars. And then mixed in also, it's super cute. You've got these cowboy boots and cowboy hats. So it kind of has that country feel also. We've got the little cowboys there, and we've got some down here as well. So this one's kind of fun. It's got like the little jars. I think this one would be super cute in a table runner. That would just look so cute on the table in summer. You could even make one of those little mason jars with flowers and put it on top. And I know the trucks will be super popular as well, because who doesn't love a classic truck? This one also comes with a panel, so I'll show you that one right up here. It is super cute. We've got a couple different blocks here. So there's the horse, we've got the whole country here, and then this little adorable little doggy on here also with the truck. And then you've got to this side that guy as well. So pretty cool line there also. That one you could do lots of fun stuff with. I'm gonna sneak through here real quick and we'll move up to the counter. We have a fabric line to show you. We've shown you the kit and that we used this fabric in before. It was the double wedding ring quilt that we called Eternal, which is hanging up right over here on the wall. So that one is very cool. Definitely you'd be learning a new technique with this one. And the fabric line that it uses is this one right here from Riley Blake. It's called Elegance. It's a gorgeous color scheme. You've got like this dusty rose, and then it kind of works into this really warm golden yellow. You've got a few creams, and then you've got this gorgeous sage color, and it kind of works into this really sort of dusty blue. So some really gorgeous florals in there, some really cute little paisleys. Just a really cool general mix of pattern in this one. It has sort of a classic feel to it, but it also is still very modern. So I think it works really well with this double wedding ring quilt, because it kind of meets like the traditional and modern and kind of makes it into something new, which is really cool. So we have this kit here. It's got all of this fabric in there in the quilt. This is what we used for it. But we also have it in yardage. So now if you love the fabric, you can buy it in yardage as well. I'm very fond of these little stars here. I think those are really neat. I think that brings in that modern element. So we love this line, we love this kit, so we're just so excited to share it with you. The fabric will be out over here and the kit will be hanging up over there by the kit. So lots of fun things today. Very excited about all of our new little things, our block of the month, all of our new little notions. Just very excited to dig into those and have some fun. And with our new mailer coming out, it's got some of those things in there, so you can check them out in here. Like I said earlier, you can be expecting yours this week. So when you get yours, take a look through it, scan through it. You can see what classes we have coming up, which ones you want to sign up for. And then this Saturday, April 1st, at 9:45, you will be able to either come into the store or give us a call to sign up for the classes. So definitely do that. Classes do generally fill up pretty quickly. So if there is a class that you want to take, I would definitely suggest calling sooner rather than later, or coming in sooner rather than later, just so you make sure you get a spot in one of the classes that you want to take. So yeah, definitely. Along with the mailer coming out and open house, we'll also be doing our used machine sale. So that will also start on this Saturday. That one we'll have all of our used machines in the classrooms over here, the first 2 classrooms, and it'll have all of our used machines in there. We've got a whole variety of different sewing machines, from entry level to some upper level machines, embroidery machines, sergers. We've got all sorts of things. So if you're thinking about maybe getting a new machine and you want to go that route, we've got some really great deals for you, so you can check it out in there. So lots of exciting things: new mailer, used machine sale, open house. We're just super excited for these coming weeks, and we're going to share even more about our classes next Wednesday. So be sure to tune in then, and so that you can see some of our projects that we are going to be doing these next few months. So yeah, thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you soon and having you sign up for our classes. So thank you so much. Bye.